I get as well often the question in about how to build an AI chatbot or an AI agent basically on WhatsApp. And people think often that it's very difficult to make or to build, but it's actually very easy. I can show you around how we can do that basically within minutes in order to activate on your WhatsApp business channel. So let's go to AI Helpmate on the left. In here, you can create your AI agents basically by giving it a name, uploading your knowledge to it, and selecting the channel where you want to activate it on. For now, I already created an example in here. It's an AI chatbot on WhatsApp, as you can see. Um, and it has access to the knowledge of just one PDF of Christmas information, but this will be your information company knowledge. Um, all right, so what I have done, I just gave it a name, I connected the resources, and then you can select how the WhatsApp AI chatbot will basically engage on your WhatsApp channel if a customer reaches out to your business. If you want to have the AI chatbot to engage it 24/7 in every language you want, enable this autopilot functionality. And then basically you need to publish it. I had it already published, but let's say I just created this page. You just need to have to publish it. So let's do that right away. I will show you as well how to upload and where to upload your knowledge. And that's the knowledge base. You can basically add a collection, and that's basically a folder or a group or a theme where you upload information around. So in this example, I just uploaded one PDF and I can show you how it will work on WhatsApp. So let's double check everything. It's connected on WhatsApp Business, as you can see. All right, that's perfectly. There's as well a playground in order before putting it live for yourself that you can test with it before you put it live on a WhatsApp channel. Yeah, let's give you an example on my mobile phone where it should engage on WhatsApp. So let me open the conversation. Right. I created a WhatsApp channel and I'm going to send hi. And let's see what AI will do. I see the messages arriving in here. So now potentially the AI is generating an answer. There you go. So it's asking how can I help, or the AI is asking basically how it can help. I am curious to know which with how many people I can fly to the North Pole. I don't know. I typed it. I made some typos as well, but here you will see I see the message arriving here in the inbox, and here you will see potentially within a few seconds an answer back. All right, this is basically an AI chatbot because it's saying now, hey, sorry, I don't have that information because I just uploaded some basic knowledge around the North Pole. And it's asking now if it should be escalated to a real human service team in order to get this answer answered, or this question answered, basically. So it's basically the same here in Playground, where you can test it yourself. So hi there. What is the weather on the North Pole? I made a typo again, but it's perfectly fine with AI because AI is very smart. Ooh, there you will see how the AI chatbot engages on WhatsApp. So hello, the North Pole is usually barren, windy, and very cold outside. However, the village is underground, warm, and beautiful. This is perfect, right? And normally this will be your business information that you can maintain and upload to the knowledge base where the AI can engage with your customers on WhatsApp. All right, I hope it gave a good reflection on how easy it is to set it up. You can basically do this within minutes or just in 30 minutes if you need to set up the WhatsApp channel before you want to play with AI. If you want to set up WhatsApp it's not that hard as well. I can show you that around as well. Let's go to settings. You click on the WhatsApp channel and you can add a new WhatsApp channel. All right, I click getting started. I know the limitations basically that WhatsApp introduced about 24 hours, templates and things like that, which I will allocate later a video around. You need a phone number, of course, and then you need to connect with your Facebook account. Let's do that. I have a personal Facebook account as well. I log in, and there you go. You need to give the permissions that this software can retrieve your messages for your WhatsApp number. And here you can then log in within your business manager account, and then you can click next. And one thing, you don't need to add your own number right away. The great thing is if you click on create a new WhatsApp business profile, you can get a number. If you first select, of course, the category of your business, you can get a free number of WhatsApp. And this is perfectly to test it for yourself before you want to activate it on your real phone number that you are using for your business. So if you click on this, it will now generate a WhatsApp number. Plus 555 number, and as you can see, it's now generating. All right, I need to continue, and then it will be added to the product, but I won't go that far for this video. I hope it gave a good reflection on how easy it is to connect WhatsApp and to enable AI chatbots or AI agents on your WhatsApp business channel. So you can engage 24/7 with your customers in every language. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you later, and don't forget to follow this social account.